Hi everybody, it's Amy. So this morning I'm going to put on my favorite YouTuber. I'm going to go through all of these magazines and black out the address and the name, and then I'm going to post them on Facebook for somebody to come pick them up for free. It's so much easier. I know a lot of people don't like to donate because it's like, I gotta clean it out, then I gotta put it in the car, and then I gotta bring it somewhere, and then it's like a pain. I get it. But guys, if you just post it in your local groups for free, people love free stuff. We love free stuff, right? So people are willing to come pick stuff up, and it makes it super easy for you to get rid of items and not clutter up your house. So this is your video for motivation today. Get in your house, clean out one little area of your house. It doesn't have to be huge projects all the time. It can just be something super small, but it feels so good to clean things out. It really, really does. I love it. Every time I bring stuff in the house, I feel like I need to clean stuff out. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be changing out my curtains. I think the blue ones are better than the tan ones. It's not going to focus. They do have tie backs as well. These were the curtains that I got, remember, at Dollar General, the last clearance sale. So these were $6 for a pair. I'm going to put this pair over across on top of the door. I hate when my Chiari does not allow me to remember where things are. On a daily basis, I literally pace my house looking for stuff that I can't remember where I put it. It's frustrating. I know some people don't have Chiari and they have that problem, but like, it's legit a thing. I have not been able to find my hammer for days. I cannot for the life of me remember where I put it. And I have like cute little things I want to hang up on the wall that I think are going to make that wall so much better and not so tan. But I can't find my hammer, dang it. I will find it. But anyway, motivate yourself, guys, to get into your house. Well, you're already there probably if you're watching this video. Maybe not. Maybe you're at work. Maybe you're at the park with the dog. I don't know. But go into your stuff and clean out one area today. Maybe change out the curtains. Hang something new up. Do something to brighten up, lighten up your space. Thanks, guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.